I love you all. Take a bowl for you all. And for those who I hate, well, fuck you. I don't care about you. What is for dinner? We're having some ground curb chicken and love. You all is on my heart. Iced tea. Much respect. Connected to the other truths all my life for the truth. And I found it with all of you. And I appreciate you all from the bottom of my heart. Because you know it's 43. You know the reason. Got the Reaper Bowl phone. Throw it up if you had enough. Hope you have a beautiful dinner. And a beautiful day. Because I'm in my mind. I'm going to be here till the end of time. Till the Tuesday. Iced tea, much respect. Name of Friday. Yes, indeed, beautiful sweet sisters. I love you. Women's History on 14 days. Celebrate what we did. You know I cook it. Did it anytime. Baby. Because we had the best motherfucking TV show. Go Tuesday. Bang. Bang. Are you a lover? You know I am. I'm a passionate lover and a romantic player. Baby. Because no one's going to lose a soul. As long as we're helping each other rise and better. Maria. Thank you, Episode. Nurse Nicole Briscoe, Carla Break, all the beautiful mama see this kind of great girl children. Cause love, inspiring, tell it Tuesday, passion. Cause you know me, fuck them triple ponies. We're bringing as old as we can. Take it or leave it. We're the best motherfucking thing going today. We're shaking this song bitch up because yes indeed, I give no fucks anymore. Final level, represent. Bam, baby. Kiss my ass, what you say is what you get. 40 degrees. Oh, yeah. We got features so bright. Have to wear shades. And you know, Luna Puma in the bag with your daddy. Loves being outdoors. Fits us so perfectly. So nobody's gonna stop this revolution. As our souls are free with energy and positivity. You know, we got the whole party. We got Elsa. We got Kiwi. We got all of you out here. We're dancing. We're dancing. We're praising. We're shining on top of the world. 14th day Women's History. What is for dinner? I know I love you. Appreciate you. Grateful for all your help. Take care of each other. Rise up together. Love you all.